everything it was, and this will be.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we don't have an instant noodle, but something that comes from a company that makes instant noodles. This came by way of the Fat Hipster. Thanks, dude. Check him out on YouTube. This is Samyang Foods and their Buldak curry Vindaloo. And it's a curry sauce with chicken in it from South Korea. You just drop that in boiling water and you let it hang out like that for 3 minutes, and then you are done. And you can go on to other activities. You like the activities, don't you? Yeah, so that's what we're doing here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Turn it down out there. Oh my god. So, yeah, we got a new thing. I kind of hinted about it on the last episode of the show. Got a new thing, and it's called memberships. So you can just like send me money. You're not really gonna get much. You'll get a shout out. That's about it. I've got my hands full. I got 2 kids. I got noodles to make, and I got walking to do. So it's just kind of like that's the deal. So if you like the show and you want to support it, that'd be great. And if you really want to like hassle me, you can go for the $500 option, which I really don't expect anybody would do. But it'd be rad if like 100 people did that. That'd be great, but I don't expect it. Then you get to do, you can be on the show via audio 7 days, and you don't have to do them in a row. And you also get to pick what ramen I'm going to review. Doesn't matter if I reviewed it or not. And what garnish and what recipe and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah. Something to think about, I suppose. Yeah. Mind you, I'll make cheap chicken instant noodles and put peanut butter and jelly on it. Will I try it? Sure. Will I put Carolina Reapers on it? No, I'm not doing that. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, I'm good. You can get weird. Sardines and powdered sugar? I don't care. Just come on, be kind. That's all I'm asking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this all up, take pictures, and then we will rejoin, and then I will sample the stuff. So let's get this party started. I'm going to garnish it in the Ferengi way. This is a brand called Guard, and this is their ultimate basmati. This stuff is freaking good. I really like it. I've been making a lot of curries lately. That can be all done. Now, take this pouch of curry. Like so. And then hey. They're getting rowdy, folks. And we have a happy egg on top. Are you listening to the side? I hope not. And I really don't have any coriander or anything, so I'm just gonna go right here with some spring onion and call it good. Simple and delightful. So I will shoot, actually, let me go just take pictures. I think that's what I did the other day. So I will take this over to the photography area. With my camera. One good shot. Alright, and there we are. So let's give this a try. Like I said, I've been eating a lot of curries lately. Basically, I get these simmer sauces. But I think I'm about to graduate to just making the British Indian restaurant style curry base and, you know, doing the thing the right way. Alright. Here's what the curry looks like. Kind of sweet. Nice heat. Let's try it with some rice. The last one of these I didn't like so much. This one's significantly spicier and it works really well. I like this. I will give this one a higher score. The heat, it's pretty strong. I like that, yeah. This is good. It definitely more resembles Vindaloo than the butter chicken one resembled butter chicken, that's for sure. So, yeah, good stuff. If you can find it, I think he got it on some fancy Korean market website. Probably cost a bundle, and I think it took it forever to get to stateside. But yeah, thanks again to the Fat Hipster for sending this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Days are speeding by.